Sabah, located in Malaysian Borneo, is home to diverse and ecologically significant coral reefs. These reefs are part of the Coral Triangle region, which is recognized for its high marine biodiversity. With over 500 species of hard corals, Sabah resembles an underwater city bustling with colorful homes for various sea creatures. Now, let's dive into the marine world of Kudat in Sabah. Here, we will find a variety of hard corals including the Porites lobata, characterized by its massive and helmet-shaped structure, stretches over 4 meters wide. The Isophora palifera exhibits a columnar structure, making the colonies appear as plates, ridges, columns, and branches. The Porites rus, an encrusting coral variety, exhibits a submassive structure or forms twisted branches. The Acrophora intermedia showcases colonies with cylindrical branches that can create stands over 5 meters wide. The Montipora equituberculata, characterized by overlapping tubes or whorls in encrusting or thin laminate colonies. The Acrophora digitifera creates attached plates over a meter across with its laminar structure. The Pleuractis paumotensis, a free-living species with elongated and nearly parallel-sided polyps reaching up to 250 millimeters. Finally, soft corals like Sinularia species develop colonies that are smooth and leathery, taking on an encrusting form with ridges, knobs, or fingers.
Now, let's meet the stars beyond corals. First up, the cuttlefish. This animal is scientifically known as Sepia species. Interestingly, this species uses its color-changing ability to communicate among them. Have you ever heard of the upside-down jellyfish? Instead of floating around like a normal jellyfish does, Cassiopeia species prefers chilling upside down on the ocean floor. Next up is the clownfish, scientifically known as Amphiprion ocellaris. You might recognize this fish from the famous movie Finding Nemo. They are known for their symbiotic relationship with sea anemones, providing protection in exchange for food scraps. What makes this species special is they can change their sex from male to female in certain situations. Let's take a look at the Chinese trumpetfish, identified as Olastomus sinensis. The Chinese trumpetfish can change their color, blending with their surroundings during hunting expeditions for prey. Their trumpet-shaped mouth, which lends its name, makes them stand out in the hunt for small fish and crustaceans. The green turtle, scientifically recognized as Chelonia midas, is found in tropical and subtropical oceans globally. Fun fact, its name does not come from its shell. It is actually derived from the green color of the fat beneath its shell. What's truly amazing is their incredible migrations. Green turtles embark on extensive journeys between their feeding and nesting grounds in the vast ocean. Up next, the lionfish. Scientifically identified as pteroismiles, this fish originates from the Indo-Pacific region and boasts colorful stripes reminiscent of a lion's mane. They are venomous predators that often use their spines to immobilize small fish and crustaceans for food. Now, let's meet the pea-cocktail anemone shrimp, referred to as Ancylloceris brevicapalis. Forming a mutually beneficial relationship with sea anemones, these shrimp aid the anemones by taking on cleaning duties and eliminating parasites, while seeking protection from predators and snacking on leftovers. Next, we have the Tor amboinensis, commonly known as the squat shrimp. This tiny shrimp, native to the Indo-Pacific region, engages in a commensal relationship with another invertebrate, typically a shallow water sea anemone or mushroom coral. This tiny porcelain anemone crab referred to as Neopetralistes maculatus, forms a symbiotic alliance with sea anemones, securing protection from predators while scavenging for food particles captured by the anemones. Let's take a look at the Amphiphryon frenatus, commonly recognized as the tomato clownfish. This small species is characterized by its bright red-orange color with 3 striking white stripes outlined in black. This species is a popular choice among marine aquarium enthusiasts, adding a splash of color and adaptability to aquatic displays. Last but not least, the Moorish idol, scientifically identified as Xanthus cornutus. This is a stunning marine fish that inhabits clear, coral-rich lagoons and seaward reefs. The Moorish idol uses its long snout to reach food in gaps between rocks. It's been an amazing journey exploring the wonders beneath the waves. However, here is the sad truth. The coral reefs in Sabah have faced some challenges due to coral bleaching and fish bombing. Coral bleaching is a phenomenon in which coral colonies lose their vibrant colors due to environmental stress. This stress causes the symbiotic algae living within the coral tissues to come out, leading to a whitening or bleaching effect. This process weakens the coral, making it more likely to be infected by diseases, and eventually impacts the entire ecosystem that depends on coral reefs for habitat and food. Now, fish bombing? That is a big underwater disaster caused by the destructive fishing method that involves the use of explosives to kill fish. This illegal practice not only poses a direct threat to marine life, but also affects the communities that depend on fishing in a sustainable way.
Despite the challenges that corals face, there is a super cool way in which conservationists practice to save coral reefs. It is called the Mars Assisted Reef Restoration System, or known as MARS. This method involves setting up steel structures called reef stars, coated with coral sand or limestone, and attached with coral fragments. Here's the awesome part. These reef stars are not just individual homes, they are connected with each other, forming a kind of underwater spiderweb. These connected reef stars create a big and strong network that can cover up to 300 square meters of areas. That is like having a huge neighborhood for the corals to thrive in. When the attached coral fragments grow on these reef stars, they provide a habitat for various kinds of fish and other marine creatures. The ocean is like a treasure chest filled with diverse marine wonders, from tiny shrimp to stunning jellyfish, amazing turtles, and a whole array of colorful fish in massive coral reefs. They are not just awesome underwater, they also play an important role in keeping our coast healthy and balanced. So, are you ready to join forces and become an ocean superhero? Together, we can make a huge splash in saving our ocean's incredible ecosystem.